Life after 50 can bring many joys. It can also bring new health challenges. Many people notice changes in their bodies. Energy levels might not be what they once were. Simple tasks can feel more tiring. This dip in energy can affect daily life. You might think this is just part of aging, but it does not have to be your story. Poor digestion is another common complaint. You might experience bloating or discomfort. Joint pain also tends to appear. Stiffness in the morning is frequent. These physical discomforts can be frustrating. They can impact your mobility and mood. Many accept these as unavoidable. However, solutions exist. Lifestyle choices play a very significant role. The foods we eat have a profound impact. Processed foods lack vital nutrients. They can contribute to inflammation. The good news is that change is possible. A powerful solution may lie in nature's pantry. Consider the food you put on your plate. Let us explore this powerful approach. If you want more tips and inspiration for healthy living after 50, be sure to subscribe and join our community. Your journey to better health starts here. What exactly is a plant-based diet? It is simpler than you might think. It focuses on foods derived from plants. Think of colorful fruits and vegetables. Imagine hearty whole grains and legumes. Include nutritious nuts and seeds. These foods are packed with goodness. They form the foundation of this eating style. It is about abundance, not restriction. Fruits like berries, apples, and bananas. Vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, and carrots. Whole grains such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Legumes including beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. These foods provide essential vitamins. They offer minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. This is nature's true medicine. This approach emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods. The less processed a food is, the better. A whole food, plant-based diet nourishes your body. It provides the building blocks for optimal health. It is a return to eating real food. It is about making plants the star of your meals. Even small changes can make a big difference. The goal is a sustainable, health-promoting lifestyle. Scientific evidence strongly supports plant-based diets. Numerous studies show remarkable health benefits. These diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart disease is a major concern after 50. Plant-based eating can lower cholesterol levels. It can improve blood pressure. It helps keep arteries clear and flexible. This significantly cuts your risk of heart attacks. It also reduces the risk of strokes. Diabetes is another growing health problem. Type 2 diabetes can often be prevented. It can even be managed or reversed. A plant-based diet plays a key role. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. The high fiber content slows sugar absorption. This improves insulin sensitivity. Many people see their blood sugar normalize. They may reduce or eliminate medication. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is common. Plant-based diets are naturally low in sodium. They are rich in potassium and magnesium. These minerals help lower blood pressure. Reducing blood pressure protects your heart. Furthermore, research links plant-based diets to cancer prevention. Choosing plants can be a life-saving decision. The science is clear on these benefits. Starting your day plant-based is easy. Try a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. Add fresh berries for sweetness. Sprinkle chia seeds or walnuts for protein. It will keep you full and energized. Another option is whole grain toast with avocado. Or try a smoothie with spinach, fruit, and plant milk. For lunch, a large salad can be satisfying. Add chickpeas or black beans for protein. Or consider a hearty lentil soup. Dinner can be creative and enjoyable. How about a black bean burger on a whole wheat bun? Stir fries are also quick and versatile. Sauté tofu or tempeh with your favorite veggies. Plant-based snacks can keep hunger at bay. Section 5. Real transformations, stories of renewed health. Many individuals experience profound positive changes. Improved energy levels are often reported first. People feel less sluggish and more vibrant. This newfound energy allows them to do more. They can engage in hobbies and activities. They feel more alive and present each day. This is not just a temporary boost. It is sustained energy that comes from good nutrition. Better sleep is another common benefit. Many find they fall asleep more easily. They sleep more soundly through the night. Waking up refreshed becomes the new normal. Good sleep is crucial for overall health. It affects mood, concentration, and physical repair. A plant-based diet can improve sleep quality. It reduces inflammation and digestive distress. Sustainable weight loss is often a welcome outcome. This is not about restrictive dieting. It is a natural result of eating whole foods. Plant foods are typically lower in calories. They are higher in fiber and water content. This helps you feel full and satisfied. Weight loss occurs gradually and healthily. Mental clarity and mood often improve significantly. These transformations show the power of plants. Section 6. Navigating the shift, overcoming common hurdles. Transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle can have challenges. Social situations might feel tricky at first. Dining out or attending gatherings needs some planning. Look at menus ahead of time. Offer to bring a plant-based dish to potlucks. Communicate your dietary choices politely. Most restaurants are accommodating. Friends and family will adjust over time. Your health is worth the initial effort. Concerns about getting enough protein are common. This is largely a misconception. Plants provide ample protein. Legumes, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts are excellent sources. A varied plant-based diet easily meets protein needs. Nutrient deficiencies are also a worry for some. Vitamin B12 is the main one to consider. A B12 supplement is recommended for everyone on this diet. Regular checkups can monitor other nutrient levels. Cravings for familiar, less healthy foods can arise. This is normal when changing habits. Find healthier plant-based alternatives. Craving a burger? Try a veggie burger. Want ice cream? Enjoy a fruit sorbet or banana nice cream. Over time, your taste buds will change. Transition gradually if that feels better. Start with one plant-based meal a day. Every plant-based choice is a step forward. Section 7. Global Wisdom. Cultures thriving on plants. Many cultures thrive on plant-based diets. Their longevity and health are remarkable. The traditional Okinawan diet is a prime example. Okinawans historically had one of the longest lifespans. Their diet was rich in sweet potatoes. Fish was eaten sparingly. Meat and dairy were rare. This plant-centric eating contributed to their vitality. The Mediterranean diet is also renowned for its health benefits. It emphasizes fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Legumes, nuts, and olive oil are staples. Fish is common, but red meat is limited. This pattern of eating is linked to heart health. The Seventh-day Adventists in Loma Linda, California, are another example. Many Adventists follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Their lifestyle emphasizes whole foods and regular exercise. They experience significantly lower rates of heart disease. These cultures offer valuable insights. Their vibrant health is an inspiration. Section 8. Your first steps. Embracing plant-based goodness. Ready to integrate more plant-based foods? Start small and simple. You do not need to change everything overnight. Begin with one plant-based meal a day. Breakfast is often the easiest. Try oatmeal with fruit, as mentioned earlier, or a smoothie packed with greens. Once comfortable, add a plant-based lunch. Gradually increase your plant food intake. This approach feels less overwhelming. It makes the transition smoother. Another effective strategy is crowding out. Focus on adding more healthy foods. Do not just think about what to remove. Fill your plate with vegetables, fruits, and legumes. As you eat more of these, there is less room. You will naturally eat fewer, less healthy options. This positive framing helps. It makes the process feel enjoyable. You are discovering new flavors and textures. It is an adventure in eating. Explore new recipes and ingredients. The world of plant-based cuisine is vast. It is incredibly diverse and flavorful. Buy a new vegetable or grain each week. Try a new recipe from a cookbook or website. Embrace the goodness of plants. Section 9. A lifelong journey. Sustaining your vibrant future. Adopting a plant-based diet after 50 is a gift. It is a gift you give to yourself. The benefits extend far beyond weight loss. They touch every aspect of your well-being. You are investing in a healthier future. You are choosing vitality and longevity. This is a journey, not a destination. There will be learning and adjustments along the way. Embrace this path with an open mind. Perfection is not the goal here. Consistency is what truly matters. Do not get discouraged by occasional slip-ups. Life happens, and that is okay. Simply return to your plant-based eating at the next meal. Focus on making the majority of your choices healthy ones. Progress over perfection is a sustainable mindset. Be kind and patient with yourself. This is a lifestyle change for the long term. Continue to learn and adapt. Nutritional science is always evolving. New recipes and products become available. Stay curious and informed. Read books. Follow reputable sources online. Find what works best for you. Your vibrant future awaits you.